I'm Charlotte with Sweyer Property Management. This is Kelly Willis with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Is that correct?
Carolina Premier Properties.
Yes.
Long name.
Yes, but it works. Kelly and I have been working together for 4 years now, I think, pretty
Easily,
much.
yeah.
Yeah, you might have been working with the company a little bit before me.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Kelly and I work really closely together identifying great investment properties.
Absolutely.
And what are some of the things you think right now that we've been finding for investment properties that are great?
Well, the entry level stuff has certainly tightened in price increase, but price point wise, easily the 3-bedroom, 2-bath or more properties that are in that $3 to $450 range are sought after properties for our investors right now.
Yeah, I think so too. You and I have talked a couple of times about identifying perhaps specific subdivisions. Even some school districts are highly desirable, more so than others. And also, I think too, a lot of people are concerned, like, is the market still really tight? Is inventory low for these investors to find properties?
It is. That problem has not resolved. I mean, some of the sales frenzy has slowed down, meaning the amount of buyers and the amount of buyers that are putting in offers. But our inventory still is critically low. Absolutely. And it doesn't matter what area it's in, whether it's Brunswick County, New Hanover County, or Pender County. All three are very critically low in inventory.
Yeah, I've been sort of telling my investors that as well, that when they're looking for a property, it's really important that they work with a knowledgeable agent in the area. Because Sweyer Property Management, we're covering Pender County, Onslow County, Brunswick County, New Hanover County. So you and I work really well together in all of those areas. Let's talk a little bit about Brunswick County. That's pretty hot right now.
It is. Well, we talk about inventory. Brunswick actually has been a little bit ahead of the game because builders over the last 3 years have gotten involved with some new subdivisions. And so there's a little bit more to choose from when it comes to Brunswick. I mean, I just closed on a property in Calabash that's, almost to the South Carolina line. So it definitely has stretched, meaning where we have to look and to find those abilities. But Brunswick County definitely has more availability, especially on the new construction side.
Yeah. And I think too, you and I often talk to these investors about what are you looking for? Single family, condo, townhome. I've noticed a lot of townhome communities going up with 1-car garages, which I think is a bonus.
It is.
But during COVID, I sort of feel like we had this push where renters really loved getting a single family home.
I would agree. During that time frame, people wanted a little bit of separation when it comes to having that individual lot and having your space.
And backyards, right? That
Absolutely.
Outdoor living space. I've noticed ever since COVID, really, I think people always enjoyed grilling out and doing all this other stuff, but during COVID, everybody wanted outdoor space to enjoy themselves.
Yep.
So if anybody's looking for somebody to work with, I'm happy to help. You can reach out to me, or I can put you in touch with Kelly about finding just perfect investment property.